Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again in the gold market. So as we said in the weekly research, market right now stands at the solid support area, so you can see this daily oversold, major fib support 1285. Also this weekly oversold area, so it's very close to it. And we said that market could spend some time here showing some minor bounce, but would not expect right now any significant reversals to the upside. So yes, some intraday bullish patterns could be completed, some retracement could be formed, but potentially in a few weeks we mostly expect dropping further to the 1262, at least to the 1262 area, since here we have the major target that stands on the daily chart. This is XLP extension, 1618 extension of our major ABC top pattern. So there are two reasons why we think that the XLP could be reached. First of all is the fundamental driving factor, as you know, this interest rates in the United States, and this is long-lasting driving factor. It will be valid, I think, maybe for years, who knows, but a few months definitely, and it means that the gold market will remain under pressure. Second, just from the technical point of view, take a look what has happened. As soon as market has hit the OP major target, minor retracement has been done. Just 3-8 retracement of this leg. It's a very poor reaction on the OP. As soon as this reaction has been completed, this was really collapsed. So you can see this nasty candle down is acceleration. Not only the daily oversold and support area has stopped market from the further downward action. Take a look at reaction on the major support, mostly flat action, no significant response. Yes, we have here some tails to the downside, suggest some buying here existence and purchasing, but it still can't push gold market higher. That's why theoretical chance exists that maybe market could form here some big pattern, but currently probability stands in favor over retracement to the 13 even 1305 area and then downward continuation. This looks most probable. Further action back to the 1325 is possible only if additional driving factors for gold will appear that will support market. I do not know, maybe big reversal on the interest rates if Fed will tell something in June, for example, on the perspective of the rate increase, or some geopolitical events will happen, will support gold market. I do not know, maybe some problems in the Israel-Palestinian conflict here, so maybe, who knows, that may be the geopolitical turmoil could support gold market, but currently in the factors that we see right now, we do not see any these kind of factors that could really lead to the reversal on the gold. Now what we have on intraday charts. On the intraday charts we have discussed two possible scenarios. First one is based on reaction to the 13 new, and as I said, we will talk about it a bit later on the hourly chart. On the 4-hour time frame chart, potentially, guys, yes, exists chance that could be some upward action. As I said, in this case we could get the head and shoulders pattern, because take a look, this bottom stands in 1618 extension of this most recent retracement up. That's why this could become the left shoulder of the pattern, that could become head, and if market somehow, by some pattern, we do not know which one, will lead 1325, it will have chance to form the hand shoulders and show some more extension back to the previous tops. This is possible. At the same time, but as I said, we will need some additional factors for that. It can't happen just on the background that we have right now. So currently, as I said, most possible scenario is just retracing on the 13 even. Because here, guys, we also have some another pattern to the downside. You can see this ABC top D patterns also has the same target, 1263, 1262, while on the daily chart, large major XOP stands also 1262, so they stands in the same point. This level is the minor 618 extension as well of this A, B, C top, minor 618 extension. This is a B equals CD target. And market stands on reaction on this. This target also coincides with the daily support area. But take a look at reaction stands really flat and heavy, so no significant upward bounce stands before market has reached these levels with a strong collapse down. So this also tells that probably minor reaction here could follow. On the hourly chart, what we could keep an eye on, speaking on this possible bounce. Well, guys, here the situation stands relatively simple. You can see here we could get same pattern as on the euro currency that we have discussed today. It could become the head and shoulders. So this could become left shoulder head. Market right now is forming the right shoulder. So maybe here could be formed godless triple to buying, kind of the A, B, C action down. So if you're searching chance to take the long position on gold markets, scalp long position, you could keep an eye on 1286. This is fib support, and depending on that level, it will be clear whether upward bounce will happen or not. Because market will fail to hold here and start dropping below this level, it will mean that probably retracement is over and market really could continue downward action. If market will able to hold here, in this case, yes, we could get the A, B, C, D pattern right back up to the 12.99, 13 even. This will be also, as you can see, strong confluence and weekly pivot point. We have talked about this in the weekly research. So that is how our minor retracement to the 13 even could be completed. This is the key to understanding what is going on. So if you would like to get long position, you could keep an eye and drop your time frame further, maybe to the 15-minute chart, and just watch for, I don't know, a kind of the godless triple to buy or something of that sort around 1286. Stops, of course, should be placed somewhere below these lows. So it will be godless triple to buy. You could take the long position, moving stops to break to below these lows. Upward action starting, market will reach the neckline, move your stops to the break even, and just watch the movie. That will be the target, approximately 13 even, because this will be kind of the EB equals CD pattern will be completed. This is normal classical target of the head and shoulders pattern. So indeed, it's approximately 13 even. That's the short-term scenario that we could get in the gold market today, tomorrow.